What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are back at it again with another video. First and foremost, I want to give a huge thanks to every single one of you guys. We finally hit 1,000 subscribers 2 weeks ago, and I'm very thankful and very humbled because it's been a long time coming. As you guys know, we've been building our garage for about 1.5 years now, and we are, I'll say, maybe 90% done. And yeah, I just can't wait to finish it. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around, show you what we've done, what we've got to install today, and future plans for the garage. So it's gonna be something quick, and let's get to it. Let's go. Dale, 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 dale. You. All right, boys. So this is my garage. This is the condition of it. It's not perfect, guys. I still have a few things to do to, you know, perfect my craft and whatnot. I still gotta laminate these papers, whatever you want to call it. Of course, we got the max jack and the floor. We did the Harbor Gray paint on the walls, the flat black, inspired by Obsessed Garage. This is what we're gonna be installing today, inspired by Obsessed Garage as well. This piece I've been waiting for a while, man. This is just a nice piece, expensive, and I love it. It's just gonna go with the theme that I'm going with, gray and black, and I just can't wait. We also have the MTM gun. We got this in black. This, I don't need this. I think this is the Cobra Jet. I don't even know. Cobra Jet. I don't know. I just know it's really good. We got this as well. And the power washer that I'm using is the Karcher. Usually, people go with the 1700. I went with the 1800, a little stronger. And we got the little thing where we're going to mount it and whatnot. And yeah, guys, this is my garage. The power washer setup is going to go somewhere here. I'm not sure how we're gonna do the power supply or the water supply. I'm not sure yet. Water supply, we have several options. We could either get the water supply from here, from the water heater, which is right there, run a line up and all the way, make a little hole there and just run it down towards the pressure washer. Or we could just make a hole right over here, down here, towards the outside, and I do have a spigot right around here in the other side, so we'll just add an adapter, a Y spigot adapter, and just run PVC piping from the spigot outside, inside, and then up towards the pressure washer. Power wise, we have several options. Either just get a 240, or I don't know, we'll get a 240, or maybe we could just, you know, do 120. I'm not sure, we'll see. But we could either, because right now I have all this, I have a extension, whatever. So, well, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a 120 just for the garage opener right here in the corner, and then we'll have an electrician do a 240 outlet specifically for the power washer setup. Why? Because I also want to add a vacuum setup. So I'm not sure, once we get the power washer setup, depending on how much room I have, then I'll add the vacuum setup here or here. I'm not sure, but that's to come. That's the future. A few months from now, probably put a picture of the vacuum setup that I'm looking. It's about $400, but a lot of mixed reviews. I'm not sure if we're gonna go that route or we're gonna go the Obsessed Garage route, which is highly expensive, so we don't know. But anyways, guys, enough talk. Let's open this bad boy up, let's install it, and go from there. Let's get it. Dale.
Look, I just wanna make a living, I just wanna do it right. I'm just trying to take what isn't given past the oversight. I'm just trying to make it killing, didn't happen overnight. They talk about my name so much, they start to get over. I gotta ask you, what's your motivation? Are you driven, are you bold?
Move the yellow panel from the cartridge itself. We're gonna flip this over. Flip this over, and we have pretty much 4 screws we have to remove. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once we remove that, we'll be able to remove the yellow piece, and we're gonna go ahead and plastic dip it in gray. This is the plastic dip that I'm gonna be using. Got it from Lowe's. Yeah, and it's gunmetal gray. So be right back, and yeah, be right back, guys.
Can you turn this into something on your own? I gotta ask you, what's your motivation? Is it riches? Is it gold? Is it something you can find within your soul? I gotta ask you, what's your motivation? Is it music? Is it love? Maybe not, or maybe all of the above. I gotta ask you, what's your motivation? Is it faith in the beloved? Is it something you don't plan on giving up? So tell me, what's the drive you got within you, where your mind is often sent you when you're broken down about the drowners?
Power washer setup is complete. Now, of course, we gotta figure out power supply and water supply, but everything is installed, everything's ready to go. Just gotta clean up, and a lot of dirt here and whatnot. And I kind of messed up here when it comes to the plastic dip, but it is what it is, guys. I'm gonna try to fix it sometime tomorrow. I did try, as you guys can see, and I just ruined it a bit more. This is plastic dip, guys, so we could always remove it and redo it again. That's the good part. And the reason why we did that was because of just in case I have to return it, and warranty purposes, you know. If I paint it, then the warranty will be voided. But doing this, then I can always just peel it out and call it a day. But guys, man, I am excited, and this is the swivel gun. So, man, I just can't wait. And I think that I'm gonna get the water supply. I'm gonna run a line from here, make a left down, and then drill right here and get the water supply from outside. I think that's gonna be the easiest. And instead of just getting water supply, my water source from the water heater, send the line up, and then it's just too hectic. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. And yeah, guys, this is my budget, I'll say budget friendly power washer setup. A total of around, I'll say $900. It was around $900 as of now. I of course have to do the PVC piping for the water supply, and you know, whole 9 yards. But as of now, it's so far $900. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's something simple, and yeah, one more thing down, and I'm excited. Of course, I gotta clean this garage, but I'm super excited. And on another note, before I finish it off, I did paint it this on the bumper, all black, and I'm just gonna wrap it tomorrow. Anyways, guys, you already know, que. Catch you in the next one. Dale.
Ask you, what's your motivation? Is it riches? Is it gold? Is it something you can find within your soul? I gotta ask you, what's your motivation? Is it music? Is it love? Maybe not, or maybe all of the above. I gotta ask you, what's your motivation? Is it faith in the beloved? Is it something you don't